Hello, kindergarten enrichment. We are going to do some math journal prompts today. So I have with me today, I have Lauren with me. This is Mrs. Dow and that's Lauren
Hi.
waving. Okay, so we are going to get started. Kindergarten, what you need is a pencil. And you need something to color with because that happens sometimes. We need to color some things in.
You can use crayons or markers.
You can use crayon or marker, that's right. And I know you're probably all thinking, wait a minute, I don't have my math journal. Your math journals are still in your classroom, but that's totally okay. I brought mine home so that I could do some of these videos for you, but Lauren is just using a piece of paper and that is all you need to do this. So as long as you have a plain piece of paper, a pencil, and something to color with, you are ready to go. And I will read the math journal prompt, so don't worry about that, okay? If you want your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, someone to write down some of these math prompts for you so that you can remember what it was that you were doing on your page, you can totally do that. I'm just trying to get to our page here. So I've got my math prompt glued to the top, and I just want to make sure that we're nice and focused. That looks good. Okay, we are on number 34. The 34th math prompt that we've done. That's a lot of math prompts, okay? So we're going to get started. And the math prompt says, there were 4 dark green clovers and 5 light green clovers in my yard. How many were there altogether? So let's first start with 4 dark green clovers. And kindergarten has already been drawing some clovers already. We did a few last week or whatever that was. A couple weeks ago we've been doing this. So the way I do clovers is I just make sure that they've got some little rounded petals on the outside. And then I kind of just give it a little stem. So there's going to be 4 dark greens. Let's do those. Let's do 4. Okay, so that's going to be my 4 dark green. And now we need 5 light green. We're going to go back in and color these. So let's do 5 more. I'm going to start a new row. Okay, so you should have 1 row of 4, 1 row of 5, and let's just go ahead and color them in. So you need a dark green. How about you start with the dark green?
Okay.
So you have 5. Your row of 5 is your light green. Oh, you found another one? Okay. So there's 4 dark greens. Maybe I'll do this one then. The dark green is the row of 4. Okay, and then the light green, and then there were 5 light green clovers, so I'll use this one, and I can let you borrow this one if you want, or you can just color lightly too. That's totally up to you, if you think that works. Okay, so we have, and I like to do this when we're counting and adding I like to circle the first group. So that was 4. And then we have 5 light green. Let's see, I wonder if the kindergarten knows what 4 plus 5 is. You think you know? Okay, so let's write it out. 4 plus 5 equals, do you know it? What is it?
9.
9. Okay. And that's your answer. That's what it should look like on your page. All right, let's turn to the next one, number 35. Okay, math prompt 35. We'll have to get you another piece of paper after we do this one because we're going to do 3 altogether, okay? All right, I put 4 cans and 3 glass jars in the recycling bin. That makes how many in the recycling bin? So let's start with 4 cans. So when you draw a can, it's going to look like a cylinder, right, Lauren?
Mm-hmm.
And you know how to draw a cylinder?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's going to be oval with 2 lines on either side and a curved line on the bottom. Or you did 2 ovals, I guess, top and bottom. So yours is like you can see through it. Okay. So I'm just going to make mine look solid. So an oval, 2 lines, and a rounded bottom. And it's 4. Yep, 4 cans. And you can even do, maybe they're soda cans.
Yeah, you can make a little logo too.
You could make a little logo. You could put a little tab on the top. Something like that. Okay, 4 cans and 3 glass jars. Okay, so now we got to draw the glass jars. So maybe they're pasta jars and they have a little lid. So that's like a short little cylinder.
I think I'm going to make mine a mason jar.
Okay, and then it comes down on the sides. So you always start with those ovals. I'm making a short little cylinder and then I'm coming out on the sides to make a jar. And they do kind of look like mason jars, don't they?
Yeah.
And mine are going to have a little label on them as well. Maybe they're pasta jars. Did I say that already?
Mm-hmm. Or spaghetti sauce
Little
jar.
spaghetti, yeah, that's what I meant. Spaghetti sauce jars. Okay. Or applesauce jars.
Yeah.
That would work too. Okay, so you still doing your 3 over there? Okay, move your page back in the frame here so that they can see what you did too. Okay, so you got your 4. Let's circle 4. And then let's circle 3. That's right, do a little 4 here and a 3 here. So how many are all together in the recycling bin?
I think I know.
You know it?
Yeah.
4 plus 3 equals, go ahead.
7.
7. Okay, you got it. And I'm going to draw a little recycling bin.
I'm going to do recycling trash can.
Yeah, and what's that little logo like when it goes like this?
It's in a triangle.
Oh, it's a triangle?
That's okay.
Yeah, you're right, it is a triangle. Something like this, right?
I'm going to put little wheels
A
on
little
there.
recycling bin. Okay. Oh yeah, you got it right. Oh, yours is like a can with the rolly kind.
Yeah.
That's cool. Make sure they see that.
Yep.
You even got the wheel on the bottom. Very cool. And it doesn't really say we have to color anything in on this one, so I think we can just leave it pencil. Okay? All right, last one. You need to go get a piece of paper. Okay, last one is, I saw 3 rainbows and my friends saw 5 more. So we're going to try and figure out how many rainbows we saw all together. Move this page out of the way. There you go. Okay. So, I saw 3 rainbows. Let's start with that.
Okay.
You know all about rainbows, don't you?
Yes.
I think I'm just going to do like a 3 colored rainbow. I know. But this is all about, representation here. So if I saw 3 and my friend saw 5, let's do a row of 5. Okay, so now I think you gotta color in the rainbows, right? Because that's just like, I'll do like a red.
You could do primary colors.
You could do primary colors. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll do an orange stripe. And then I'll go back and do a yellow stripe. And then let's do this row. I'm going to do maybe blue and pink and purple or something. Maybe I'll go back to red so it looks a little bit more like a rainbow. And then I kind of feel like I need to just put a little clouds on the bottom. They look like they have little feet.
Yeah. I'm not gonna color mine in too neatly because I have a lot.
I know, you've got a ways to go.
That's a lot of rainbows to see in one day.
I know. So I'm going to go ahead and, oops, I think we just got a little out of focus there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and circle.
I think I'm gonna finish my coloring later.
Okay, so here's your pencil. So I saw 3. Let's circle the 3. And my friend saw 5 more. So let's write it out. 3 plus 5 equals
8.
8. Okay. There it is. 3 plus 5 is 8. And that was our last math prompt. If you still need to keep going and coloring those rainbows in, that's totally fine. But that was fun. So we did 34, 35, and 36. And we will do another one next week. So I hope you had fun doing that. And we will see you next time. Bye.